What is up, guys? It's Tritofic Animations, and today we're back with a brand new video. So the promised animation is going to be coming up soon. I promise I am working on it, although a bit slowly, but we have this. So basically, this is a minecart rig. I don't see too many people with minecart rigs, so I decided to make my own that is actually a rig and not just a model. So I'm pretty sure the texturing is done correctly, as you can see over here, and it even has extrusions. Now, the first thing I want to go over is this is 100% extrudable. I made it that way to make sure it's 100% extrudable, and it's really cool this way. So I was able to extrude this really easily, and let's say you want to extrude your own texture. So all you have to do is just choose whichever face you want to extrude, and just click E and extrude it out, but you'll notice there's texture clipping issues, and the way to fix that, all you need to do is just select the 5 faces as the last face is invisible, drag out a new window, set it to UV image editor, choose the minecart.png. This is the image that I had to use for this. It was actually pretty interesting to try to get all the textures to work, but I got it to work. So basically, as you can see over here, there's these textures, and I want to just place this as one texture. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to scale this down a ton to, let's say, 0.001, and I can pretty much have a solid color by placing it, let's say, here. There's no more texture clipping issues, and it's just a regular extruded block. Alright, I'm just going to undo this because I don't really need this and the rig is complete. You guys can figure out whatever you want. Oh yeah, so the wheels. One cool feature about this rig, when you move this, the wheels move with it. That means you don't have to animate the wheels, and it looks more realistic, as the normal minecart, its wheels are literally just texture painted on. So this also works with rotation, and it's really cool when you set it to loco mode, so when you move it, it still moves diagonally or whatever like this, and you can just turn it, you can animate it turning and moving at the same time. Just gonna reset this to its original position, and over here with a tiny bit of Python magic, I was able to turn the auto roll on and off. So let's say you don't want to roll, let's say you want to make a crashing animation or so, and you want the reels to stop or break. You can always turn this on or off, and you can also animate it. So you can put a keyframe on this simply by pressing I, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna undo that. And what you could basically, it's a Boolean, so it can only be 0, 1, meaning you can't smooth between it, but it will be really easy to switch between in an animation if you really have to. So that's just about it. I can show you this. I can just show you, oh yeah, this is actually a normal square. It's just, yeah. This is the back plate, bottom and top. I can show you all this extruding thing down here. And also the wheels are also extrudable. As you can see, there's also a bit of extruding already done here to make the wheels look a little nicer. We have all these things over here. I can show you these constraints, but you can just download the project for yourself on the MediaFire link in the description, of course. Let's see what else I can show. Oh yes, I can show you the drivers and the script as well, actually. So the drivers are located in the graph editor in driver mode. I can just select all of these, and you can see it's all the exportations, and this is just the simple drivers, scripted expression. Alright, now moving on to the Python script. I'm sure no one likes this, but I don't really care. I'm just going to show it for whoever does want it. This was just a simple script to get this thingamajigger working, and basically this thing over here, oops, where is it? Oh, there we go. The auto roll, it's up here, but when you actually import it to a project, it'll be at the bottom. So it's up here, and notice it disappears when you choose another object, because you can only access this when you're choosing this specific bottom part area. Alright, so now let's move on how to import this into your own project. And alright guys, I've already imported it, but I need to show you guys something. I just realized that before you import this minecart and before you import the Python script, as I'm about to show you, first you need to go into User Preferences, and you need to go to File, and auto run. Make sure that this is turned on. Otherwise, you will receive once you import the Python script, you may receive a message that will ask you to turn it on. Well, reload it as trusted, and you have to do that. Otherwise, you have to do this step first. Alright, moving on to the rest of the video. What you want to do, you want to just delete the cube, delete whatever else you don't need. In this case, I don't need anything. So right now, all you're going to do is go to the project. In this case, it is right here, the minecart, and if I can actually find it, there we go. Click on group, and I carefully made it into a group so you can actually get in here. I would recommend turning on shading. And then we still need something else. Even though this is here, we still need to import the Python script. So, but basically, you need to go into text. You need to import the minecart.py. I don't need to do this because I've already imported it, and it works for me. Alright, guys. So that's just about it. There's nothing really much more to say. Yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys have fun using this rig. If you have any questions, just message me on my YouTube or make a comment down below in the description. So yeah, peace out, guys.